Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will go over a very simple but useful tool in LusoCAD, the Quick Dimension command. This command is very convenient for when we want to make a dimension annotation for multiple distances at the same time. To activate it, type QDIM in the command line. In this example, we want to measure the distance between the vertical lines, so the command asks us to select the objects. We use the green selection to select the top of the lines. Press Enter. Now we just have to place the dimension annotation using our mouse. And just like that, the dimensions are created. We can also do this on the vertical axis. You just have to place the annotation in the right place. We do the same process, selecting the left end of the horizontal lines. And we make sure to put the annotation outside of the shape. You will see how the dimensions appear just when we place it to the left of the drawing. And now we have all of our dimensions, quickly created by this useful command. This was all for this lesson. Keep watching to further your LusoCAD skills.